The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the router. Now remove the cord clamp. Now remove the terminal block from the housing. And remove the cord wires. Now I can remove the cord guard from the cord. Now I can install the new cord guard. I place it over the wires and slide it onto the insulation. Now reconnect the wires to the terminal block. And I'll reinstall the terminal block into the housing. I'll install the strain relief into the opening in the housing and use the cord clamp to resecure the cord. Now I can reinstall the side cover. The side cover clips in at the top first and is then secured with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.